Hello guys, today in this video, we are going to help you to find out the best RGB hexagon wall lights in market. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I tried to list them based on their quality, durability, customer review, and more. If you want to see their price and find out more information about them, you can check our links in the description below. Number 3. Colorlight Hexagon Light Panel for DIY Smart LED Lamp works with Alexa, Google Assistant without power base, one-piece light block. Unusual lighting effect. The Colorlight LED lights for bedroom can offer an outstanding lighting experience for your. With 70+ intricate effects, you can customize your room to fit your style. Designed to work with Razer for the ultimate gaming room lighting decor. Hexagon lights can use all of Razer's effects, making it a great addition to your bedroom and gaming room. Master room decoration with ease. Outstanding performance. Each Hexagon LED light features 19 LED driver ICs, providing the ability to customize the color for each individual light bead. An upgraded dual-core processor ensures that even the most complex lighting effects can be executed effortlessly. The 19 light beads, specially customized with 1600 million colors, deliver unparalleled gaming lighting performance. Number 2. Meltem Hexagon Light Panels Expansion 3 LED Panels, Hexagon lights for wall LED dream color effects, smart LED wall lights music sync, LED gaming lights for gaming setup, no controller/remote. For extension purposes only, a Meltem Hexagon Lights Dream Color 3 panels extension are only compatible with a Meltem Hexagon Lights Music Version Complete Set B08 MTFKW88 and a Meltem Hexagon Lights Alexa Version Complete Set B0967 P2ZK9. If you already purchased one of the two products above and want to expand your LED wall pattern, then it's the right item. Specially designed for enhancing game, home theater, music entertainment, Valentine's Day decor. Relax and enjoy a feast of vision and music. Sync with music. Hexagon wall lights sync with any music or sound coming from the surrounding environment. Visually remaster your music and do animated displays of colored light. Enjoy the lights dance along with music beats. Number 1. Selfilip Music Sync DIY Hexagon Lights 8-pack Smart App and Remote RGB Wall Light, Hexagonal Modular Gaming Light Honeycomb-shaped panels, LED lights for bedroom children room decor. Creative DIY shapes. Inspired from building block bricks and jigsaw puzzle and honeycomb. The Selfilip Hexagonal Gaming Room Decor, LED lights, fast modular component lights are entertaining and interesting. They allow you to create unique layouts and display your personalized smart lives. You can design the panels into shapes as you like. Smart Amp and Remote Control. Install the matching app on your mobile phone. You can turn on/off the hexagonal LED light, change the color, adjust the brightness to get the effect you want through the mobile app. The operation is simple. Over 16 million colors can be switched at will to enhance the ambience. Music Sync. Voice-activated induction. Turn on the microphone mode. The light beats with the rhythm of the music. Feel the double rhythm of the music and the light.